called the name Hurricane Amy. You're a bright shining star. Heaven released you and gave us your light. Adorable and funny, you'll miss so much. Heaven took back this angel on loan, Hurricane Amy. Young child with a singer's dream, wrote your songs, you sang them from your heart. Dresses and jeans, that wonderful beehive. Everyone loved you as they sang along. From London to USA, you gave your soul away. You kept on writing, and then came the storm. The rain fell to wash my tears away. So I wrote you this song. Hurricane Amy. From London to USA, you gave your soul away. You kept on writing, and then came the storm. Rain fell to wash the tears away. So I wrote you this song. Hurricane Amy. Life in the limelight, seduced by a thing. In your face, there